Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I will show you how to write first, second and third correctly in Microsoft Word using Superscript. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and place your cursor where you want to type. Now type a number followed by its ending, such as first, second or third. In some versions of Microsoft Word, the letter may automatically appear as superscript after you press the space bar, as you can see here. If that doesn't happen, don't worry, you can do it manually. Highlight only the letters at the end of the number. For example, select ST in first, ND in second, and RD in third. Don't highlight the entire number and word. Next, go to the Home tab. In the Font section, click the Superscript button. It looks like an X with a small 2 above it. The selected letters will move slightly above the number, giving you the correct formatting. You can repeat the same steps for any other dates or ordinal numbers in your document. In some versions of Microsoft Word, the letters may automatically appear as superscript after you press enter. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus to quickly apply superscript. And that's it. You have successfully formatted dates like first, second and third in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tutorials.